Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful collection of crochet coasters. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs of crochet coasters in flower shape and in fruit shapes, and all of these designs are super attractive and their color schemes are really nice and fresh. You can see this one is a sunflower pattern which is made with single crochet stitch, and then shell stitch is made at the border, and all of these designs are made in specific color schemes. Like this one is a strawberry shape coaster, and you this one is flower shape coaster. So all of these designs are really attractive and their color schemes are super fun. So you can make them in different color schemes like this set, just with the help of leftover yarn of different crochet projects. So it will be a very nice idea to make these designs with leftover yarn of different projects as well. You can make different geometrical shapes with them as well. You can make a square shape design, you can make heart shape, you can make triangular shape. So any type of geometrical shapes can also be made, and most of these designs are in round shape, as you can see. So most of the flowers or other different fruit shapes are made, like apple, strawberry, etc. So just give them a try if you like them, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. If you are new to my channel, I have many of the tutorial videos of different coasters available on my channel as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel. So you will find different crochet round patterns, square patterns, coaster videos, doilies videos, and you will find baby wear products like baby dresses, shoes, hats, headbands, etc. as well. So do let me know in the comments if you are interested in any specific tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel. So just share your opinion in the comment box, and just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home if you know crochet work, because these are all beginner friendly ideas which you can easily make just with the help of picture if you know crochet work. You can see all of these designs are made with a single crochet stitch or a double crochet stitch at the center part of coaster, and then different shapes are made like flower shapes at the end of coaster in just two or maximum three rounds. So most of the designs are just having a shell stitch pattern at the end, like this one, which is also giving very attractive and gorgeous look. So just give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box. And if you are interested in seeing any specific tutorial video or idea video which is currently not available on my channel, just do let me know in the comments. I will make it for you, and share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle as well, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos containing latest trends of different handmade products. Thank you for watching. Bye.